Hi, I'm John Pierner. I'm the project manager for 365 Things We Can Do to Help the Environment. It's a page-a-day calendar presenting a new idea each day of a small change you can make that will add up to make a big difference. Why are we doing this? Because let's face it, being wasteful and disconnected from the negative effects we have on the environment is a part of our culture, and we really can't afford to wait to start changing this. And because we know it's not easy to change our behavior, and we can be reactive and shut down when we think about the serious environmental challenges we face, taking one idea one day at a time is a way to break it down, keep it simple and doable, and affect real shifts in our behavior. What we really want to accomplish is put our 365 Things You Can Do to Help the Environment calendar in the hands of as many people as possible, and make it friendly and easy for them to enjoy as a calendar and to support making real changes in their lives that will help the environment. The idea is to make a calendar that just sits there on your desk and you turn the page each day to see an image that's fun and interesting with a new idea about what you can do, a small change you can make that will help the environment. And we're asking you to fund and support us in making this happen. We're offering rewards to our supporters. At the level of $10, we will send you a printed list of the 365 things you can do that we put into the calendar. At the $25 level, we're working on a subscription-based email version of the calendar that would send you one day at a time through email. And at the $50 level, we'll send you the physical calendar. The money will go towards printing, publishing, promotion, and distribution. And we're fortunate enough to partner with Thompson Shore. They have green standards and are 100% employee-owned, so we are happy to work with them. If you, like the Nerdy Cool team, know that we have to start making some changes and that we can't afford to wait, then you love this idea and you want to become a supporter and let everyone you know that you hope they will do the same. So please click on the Back This Project button and back us right now to join us in making progress and helping the environment. Remember that our project has to be fully funded or we receive nothing, so please be as generous as you can. And really, thank you.